Hello beauties, welcome to Wendy Styles. We have this beautiful short hairstyle as one of the best short haircut for office shape, and this one thing about the style is that the styling options are so endless. This kind of hairstyle can be worn smooth, it can be worn sleek, and it's that kind of style that will always add volume to your hair. Always make sure the two sides are shorter and leaving a longer hair on the top. And one thing about the style, apart from being one of the best hairstyle, is that kind of haircut that is a low maintenance style that will always boost your personality. And this cut is great for beautiful women with oval face, with that has this fine textured hair, because you can see it for yourself that it really lays so nicely, and it's that kind of classy beautiful haircuts that will suit office shape, using those modern barbering techniques, because the haircut is for women that is wanting that low maintenance cut that requires styling to be fast and easy to take care of. So it's really that hydrogenous quality while still being soft with no harsh lines. One thing about the style too is that it's a beautiful cut to create an exciting spice to your style, like if you need it, because you can see how the style adds height to the hair, making your hair not to appear flat. I just love this cut. It's just so sassy, such a kind of sassy haircut on short hair never fails to flatter off a shape, because one thing with this style is it offers those short hair an exciting and low maintenance style. You can see how the hair on top are longer, so a short and sassy haircut works with any hairstyle. Always make sure to use beautiful cream or wax based product for easy manipulation, like when jazzing up this hair. You can see those beautiful hairstyles. They are really that jaw-dropping haircut that's always looking adorable at any angle. And one thing with this haircut is that it always accentuates your wavy hair texture, and is a kind of ideal haircut for women who love a trend that's easy to manage and style as well. Thank you so much for really staying long, because in the next few hours we're going to bring some beautiful videos at your doorstep. Thanks, and see you guys in my next video.